Good morning, students. I welcome you for the chemistry class. Today, in this video, you'll be studying about the natural gas. The natural gas is a fossil fuel which is found naturally as a hydrocarbon gas mixture in the oil wells. Its main component is methane. It may also contain varying amount of other higher alkanes, other hydrocarbons. The gases like carbon dioxide, helium, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide is also found in natural gas in the smaller percentage. So, why the natural gas is so important as a fossil fuel? It is considered important as a fossil fuel because it can be easily transported through pipes. It is stored as CNG, which is used for several purposes, and it is also used as a starting material for manufacturing many chemicals and fertilizers. The natural gas does not cause pollution, and it has high calorific value. Coming to its occurrence, it is generally found trapped between impervious rocks, sometimes along with petroleum and sometimes without petroleum. How it is formed? The natural gas is formed millions of years ago along with petroleum when microscopic sea plants and animals died and they got buried under the sand and mud. So these plants and animals under anaerobic conditions changed to gas. Coming to its composition, so as we already seen, so it has major component has methane. So it consists mainly of methane around 85%, ethane 10%, propane 3%, and butane. When natural gas is compressed at high pressure, then it is called as CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is used for power generation. It is now being as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is of less polluting. The greater advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes, like as a fuels at homes and factories, which can be supplied through pipes. Why is CNG useful? It's used, it's a fuel to generate power, and it's a cleaner fuel for transport vehicles as it is less polluting compared to petrol and diesel. And it's used as a fuel in homes and industries, which can be supplied through pipes. CNG pipeline network is already existing in Vadodara in Gujarat and some parts of Delhi and other places. So why CNG is considered as a cleaner fuel? It's a better fuel compared to coal and petroleum as it results in less amount of pollution and it emits 50% less carbon dioxide, sulfur, nitrogen oxides in the air. However, it is not a best solution as there's a better source of energy present nowadays is solar energy. In India, vast reserves of natural gas are found in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tripura, and the river delta of Godavari and Krishna. Some natural gases are limited. The fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas cannot be created in the laboratory as it is not possible to create under the conditions in which they are formed. Moreover, it takes thousands of years to form. Next, we'll deal with consequences of burning of fossil fuels. The first thing is increase in air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels results in the release of unburnt carbon particles. So these particles are pollutants, which increases the air pollution. The fossil fuels releases poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere. The second thing is global warming. Fossil fuels when burnt releases large amount of carbon dioxide in the air and the amount of carbon dioxide increases which results in increase in the global temperature and that leading to global warming. Why should we use fossil fuels economically? Because they are available in limited quantities. Burning of these fuels will cause air pollution as well as global warming. So we should use these fuels economically to make sure that we should use it for a longer time, means the further generation. It should be available for the next generations. The risk of global warming can be reduced and we can live in a cleaner environment. How can we save petrol or diesel while driving? According to Petroleum Conservation Research Association in India, we can save petrol or diesel while driving by following four rules like drive at a constant moderate speed, maintain tire pressure at correct levels, switch off the engine when you are waiting, do regular maintenance of your vehicle. Why fossil fuels can last for 100 years only? As these are exhaustible resources, means they are not present in the abundant quantities. It takes hundreds and thousands of years to replenish. The rate at which we are consuming is increasing. It's rapid. It means that more amount of fossil fuels are being used than it is being replenished. Hence, scientists claim that they can replenish completely in 100 years. So these are assignment questions. List oil producing countries. List four oil refineries in Assam. Which is the biggest oil refinery in India? Which city is famous for oil refineries in India? Which country is famous for petroleum? Thank you, students. Have a nice day.